The Clark MiG-120 multi-welder is ideal for automotive repair and fabrication work. With this one small machine, you can weld using the three most popular methods: MIG, TIG and MMA arc welding. All in one compact welder weighing less than 7 kilograms. It features a professional-style non-live torch, which allows the torch to be put down without the risk of sparking, plus turbofan cooling that allows longer periods of welding at full power. The MiG-120 features a hinge side door for easy access to the wire, plus front panel controls for wire speed, wire thickness and welding voltage for even easier use. The MiG-120 will produce excellent results in various conditions and can weld mild steel up to 4.5 millimeters thick. It comes supplied with everything you need to start welding, including the torch cable with electrode holder, an earthing cable with clamp, MIG welding torch with hose, 0.6mm, 0.8mm and 0.9mm tips, a chipping hammer and wire brush, a face shield, 0.6mm mild steel welding wire for conventional MIG, 0.9mm flux cord welding wire for gasless MIG, suitable wire feed rollers, a wrench for changing tips, gas bottle mounting brackets, plus an easy-to-follow step-by-step instruction manual. Fitting a gas bottle and a gas regulator enables conventional MIG welding, and the optional Clark TIG welding torch assembly allows for TIG welding. This first-class welder is versatile too, and can also be used to weld stainless steel when used with the appropriate gas and wire. The efficient inverter technology of the MiG-120 utilizes a high switching frequency that allows the welder to be less bulky, better controlled and much lighter than traditional non-inverter transformer type welders. It is supplied with a standard 13 amp 230 volt plug, and the tough case features a carry handle for extra convenience. A wide range of Clark consumables are also available for this welder, including tips, shrouds, gas bottles and wire. Clark accessories include welding carts and clamps, plus Clark safety equipment such as fume extractors, gauntlets, blankets, screens and aprons, as well as a large range of arc-activated masks. These masks give you the convenience of clear visibility when aligning the welding torch, then full, instant automatic protection when the arc is struck. The Clark MiG-120, with adjustable power up to 120 amps, turbofan cooling for improved duty cycle and electronics life, variable electronic wire speed control, and thermal overload protection with auto reset. This welder will give you many years of great service.